What up, family? So today's mission is this right here. I've been dreading this. This is the worst part to me about the wholesaling on Amazon, and that is actually pick, pack, and shipping it all in. I mean, at the beginning I was excited to do it, but now it's like, man, it's dreadful. Like, plus I've been up all night since like 4 o'clock in the morning, binge playing Call of Duty, so I'm pretty tired. But I got to get this stuff sent in. Yeah, so I have a lot of stuff here. There's stuff in these bags and those bags. Over there, there's used items. I got a bubble wrap. There's some more stuff. There's stuff that it got shipped to me. It's just a lot of stuff, guys. And I got to send all this stuff in. And honestly, this is the part I'm even thinking about hiring somebody to come do this. Whenever I need this done, probably once a week, I'll just do all the shopping, get everything. And this is from, all of this stuff, guys, is from like, you know, days of me going out and doing retail arbitrage and online arbitrage. And like I said, you don't have to spend, you know, hundreds of or thousands of dollars a day, you know, like a lot of these people show. You can spend 40, 20, 40, even 10, $5 a day, you know, at some of these bargain stores, and just add up over the week. And then after the week is out, you know, in 5 days you should have a good haul. This is like a decent haul right here. It's gonna make me, you know, several $100. And yeah, I'm just gonna send it all in. But this is like day by day, doing little by little, you know what I mean? And I mean, you can go hard too. You can spend a lot of money day by day and have a massive haul, like quadruple this. But yeah, guys, this is what the mission is today, and yeah, I'm just getting tired even looking at it.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
Start your day off right, family. Check this out for today. You guys are gonna be like, what? Look at this, guys. This is 6 organic raw eggs. I wash the outsides of the eggs because I eat them raw. It's very, very good for your HGH. For those of you who don't know what HGH is, that's your human growth hormone. It's really good for your libido as well. So get those eggs, and I'm telling you, all right, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian, you don't eat meat or trying to cut meat out. Look, well, if you're vegan, you wouldn't eat eggs, but that's why I'm almost vegan, because I only eat eggs, guys. And check this out. I got 10 bananas in here with the 6 eggs. Yes, the 6 eggs with their yolks. This is organic eggs and 10 bananas. Now, most will say, oh my God, Lavar, that's like a lot of sugar, and that's like a lot of, what's it called? Cholesterol. Listen, cholesterol makes levodopa, which is the happy hormone in your body. Without cholesterol, you will be depressed. This is why you see so many people in America depressed right now, anxiety, bipolar, schizophrenic, like a lot of brain disorders, because there's so many foods that are advertising low cholesterol, but you need cholesterol for that happy hormone to develop. It won't develop without cholesterol, so make sure you get that in, the good kind, not from donuts. And guys, potassium, magnesium, there's just so much in bananas that's vital. But yeah, you don't want to eat this much bananas and go sit down. You want to actually do stuff. So yeah, I will be hitting the gym today. It will be a good gym day for me. This is 2,000 calories, 10 bananas, 6 eggs, and I'm gonna add 2 cups of organic raw oats, guys. This is another one of my go-to breakfasts. 2,000 calories, just bang it out. 2,000 calories in, and you can kind of like whatever else you eat throughout the day is extra. And so there you go, guys. And also I'm gonna take some tablets with that. So spirulina and chlorella tablets. Those are the superfoods. For those of you that don't know, I'll just show you. For those of you that don't know, right here, boom, you know what I mean? Some if it can focus, some spirulina. You see what I'm saying? It's not focusing, but yeah, guys, some spirulina tablets and chlorella tablets. These are really good. They're green. You know what I mean? Get that chlorophyll in your body, guys. All right, yeah. Anyways, guys. Let's have a making money talk. Let's go do some money. Let's go find the money. Where's the money? Who got the money? Where's the money? Where's the money? Where's the money at? All right, family. So here's the deal. Here's the deal, guys. As you've seen, what I just showed you, this stuff right here, very dreadful. I do not want to send it in, guys, because it's just the most boring part about retail arbitrage. I'm not gonna lie. Now, yeah, I missed a day or two of uploads yet again, but like I said, guys, I'm just really busy, and then honestly, like last night, I stayed up and binge played Call of Duty. I'm so tired right now. That game is addictive. Guys, but yeah, this stuff right here has to be sent in. You don't want to sit on inventory for a long time, but at the same time, remember what I told you guys, to make a decent amount of money, you do day by day hauls, right? Even if they're small, spending 5, 20, 40 bucks a day, and you kind of add up everything, and then at the end of the week or the end of the 2 weeks, because you can even do it in 2 weeks because Amazon pays you every 2 weeks, so you know that'll make sense if you want to do it that way as well. But literally, you want to go out every day or every other day or as much as possible and spend as much money as you can. But I'm showing people how they can get in this race and get in this game and not need a lot of money. So like literally, guys, you guys have seen me been spending like, you know, 20, 40 bucks a day, even lower than that, and I have this nice decent size haul now within a week. Some of that stuff is online arbitrage, but I got a lot of stuff here. It's gonna make me several $100. Now, I did this, and I didn't spend that much, guys. I don't know, I have to look back at the videos to figure it out, but I know it's not a lot of money that I spent, so I know anyone can do this, literally, like, anyone. If you're a kid in high school, you can do this. Shoot, if you're in middle school, you can do this with your parents' permission. But yeah, guys, yeah, I gotta send this stuff in. So that's the mission kind of today, at least listing it all in the used items, bubble wrapping the used items and putting them in poly bags, getting everything in a box, getting everything listed on Amazon and ready to ship, and maybe just bringing the boxes in the UPS tomorrow morning or today if I have time. I think I'm going to go to the thrift shop today and see if I can find anything up there. You know, maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'll bring the camera with me. Also guys, I'm gonna start doing lives where we can just hang out, you know what I mean? I wanna hang out with my fam. I will obviously answer questions in the live chat, but I wanna hang out with my fam, you know what I mean? Yeah, that being said, I'll meet you guys at the thrift shop, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. So family, look, we're in the clock tower right now. I just came in, I scanned this through the glass, and it gave me, check this out, guys, hold up. I scanned it through the glass, and look at right there, the profits, 1800 in camera, right? And then I checked it, that's 90 a month right there, you know, camera and photo, right, family? All right, let's go back. There it is, right there. So I need to get this. Can you help me out? Can I get this out? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's like that, family, real quick. Just walked in here. Just walked in here. Really quick. Yeah, this one right here. Guys, so that fast. Nothing crazy, nothing big, nothing major. But I mean, you know, I just spent 20 bucks and I'm gonna make 48 in profit. So 68 in total. And this is gonna sell really fast. Sell about a 90 a month, I think it was. So yeah, guys, one item. I didn't even want to spend that much time in there because it's dark, it's late. I'm hungry, want to get home. I've been out all day. Yeah, family. So that quick. I mean, you see what it is. I told you guys, little hauls like this. It's not even hauls, like little finds, little pickups like this, they add up, guys. If you do this every single day, imagine how much money you're spending in a day. Imagine like you go out to eat, you go to Chipotle, you go to the gas station, you put 20 bucks in your gas, right? Well, that 20 bucks that I would have put in gas, right? I just bought this and it's gonna make me 48 in profit. You do this type of stuff every day, if you do this type of stuff every day, and if you do it a lot of, like, even more in a day, like if I would have spent $100 or, you know, 200 or 500 or 1,000, imagine how much money you can make, guys. This is how you get your money up, I'm telling you. And once you get it up, you flip it, and you flip it again, and you flip it again, and you flip it again. Next thing you know, you start making thousands. Now I do this like just on a side thing, you know. I do it to show you guys, keep you guys motivated. I really don't even need to do this anymore, but I'm gonna keep doing it, you know. I'm gonna teach my daughter this, to be honest, if it's still around when she's older. So there you have it, family. I'm gonna head to the house now because I'm hungry. I got these snacks though, these pineapple snacks, they're off the chain.